Hello, dear children, good morning. Today we are going to continue the continuation reading part of our fifth chapter, the plateau and desert regions. So, children, in our previous classes, we have completed Southern Plateau, location and extent, the Central Highlands, the Deccan Plateau, rivers, climate, soil and vegetation, minerals, the great Indian desert, right? And in today's class we are going to continue from here, from first paragraph, second line. Okay, why do we read our chapters, children? In order to learn how to pronounce the words. Okay, so we are doing reading part for this purpose. See, children, most part of the desert lies in the state of Rajasthan. Rajasthan, Rajasthan. It is also extends extends to Gujarat in the south and Haryana and Punjab in the north. It has the Aravalli, Aravalli. It has the Aravalli mountains to the east. The Thar desert is covered, covered with sheets of sand which form sand dunes, sand, dunes, which form sand dunes at places. Due to little vegetation to hold the sandy soil together, strong winds in this region can shift large amounts of sand. Such events are called dust storms. D-U-S-T, dust, S-T-O-R-M-S, dust storms. They lead to shifting of the sand dunes from one place to another. Climate. The desert remains REMAINS. The desert remains hot and dry throughout. THROUGHOUT, throughout the year. The region receives very little rainfall, which makes it barren, BARREN, barren and dry. During summers, days are very hot and nights are cool. During winters, days are warm and the nights are very cold. Vegetation and wildlife. Vegetation in the Thar is scanty, 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 due to this scarcity of water. SCARCITY, due to scarcity of water. Thorny, THORNY, thorny shrubs and scattered, SCATTERED, scattered bushes which require less water or commonly COMMONLY, commonly found here. These plants generally have long roots that reach the deep underground water. Examples of such plants include cactus, 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 keker, KEEKAR, keker, and babul, BABUL, babul. Oases, OASES, oases are also found in some places. An oasis is an area in the desert where underground water comes to the surface and because of which some greenery, GREENERY, greenery is seen around it. Commonly, animals such as camels, called the sheep of the desert, blackbucks, 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 chinkaras, 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 and great Indian bustards, BUSTARDS, bustards are found in this area. Some of the other animals found in this region are the red fox and caracal, 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 a type of wild cat. Water system in the Thar. Being a desert, the Thar suffers from water shortage. Villagers often walk long distances to fetch, fetch water. To tackle to tackle this problem of water scarcity, the government has built the Indira Gandhi Canal. It was earlier known as the Rajasthan Canal. River settlers and its tributaries. Tributaries. Its tributaries supply was water to this canal. The canal provides drinking water and supports irrigation in the region. River Luni is the only river of this desert region. It is a seasonal river. The crops grown here include wheat, maize, barley, jowar and bajra. Industries developed in the region include woolen, textiles, forestry, coal and petroleum mining and tourism. Jaisalmer, 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 Bikaner, Bikaner, Bikaner and Jodhpur, Jodhpur, Jodhpur are the main desert cities. Ranthambore, Rantambore, Ranthambore, Keoladeo, 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 earlier known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, and Sariska, Sariska, and Sariska are famous national parks of Rajasthan. Life in the desert. Life in the desert is hard. The Thar Desert is inhabited, inhabited by Banjaras. The Banjaras are nomads who move on camels from one place to another. People in cities live in houses made of flat roofs, small windows, and thick walls. This keeps their houses cool during the day and warm at night. Some houses have underground water tank to store water. Women generally wear ghagra choli and odhni. Men wear dhoti, kurta and turban. Their clothes are generally bright and colorful. They celebrate festivals like Dasra, Diwali, Teej and Gangur. So this is all about the reading part of the lesson, the plateau and desert regions. Once go through the chapter, children. Okay, bye. Thank you all of you.